Always be kind to dumb animals, no matter what kind or how dumb.
One, that is.
One? Well, I'll keep my stethoscope tuned in for him. Don't worry, sir. I'll be ready for Hokey Wolf. Hokey Wolf, huh? I heard all about you, you freeloader. We only take dumb animals, see? So, scram! Oh, no, you don't. I know you guys aren't. Faintitis? Gee, I do remember reading about that in a medical journal. That's the one with the symptomatic fainting spell.
Right.
No, you're a very sick wolf. You belong in bed. Such indomitable courage, such bravery. There's nothing we can do about faintitis unless maybe I can operate. It's the only thing left to do. I must save him. Besides, I've always wanted to operate. This is my big chance.